Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry I missed this Tuesday's upload, but here I am on a Friday for you. I'm here just for you. So today we are getting spookylicious, and I'm using this stunning makeup brush set from Witchwood Bags. It says morbidly inclined on the side. How cute is that? And they come in a stunning vegan leather makeup bag with suede on the inside. Whew, there are so many different styles other than horror. You should go check them out on Instagram. Definitely. Their name is Witchwood Bags on Instagram. I'm going to be using their brushes throughout this whole entire tutorial. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? I'm going to be first priming my eyelids with my, you guessed it, P. Louise eyeshadow base. It's my favorite. What other one would I use? In all seriously though. For eyeshadow today, I am using this stunning palette called the Macabre Glamour eyeshadow palette. This is from Vinyl Cult Cosmetics. It's so cute, and the names of the shadows are just to die for. I'm first going in with the shade Crypt, which is just a matte black. We're going for a matte look today. I'm placing that on the very outer corner of my eye, creating a little point there, and then taking it into my crease ever so lightly. The trick with black shadow, just only dip into the shadow a little bit and lightly, very lightly, press it onto your lid. I'm going in with the shade Last Rites, which is a chocolate brown shade, and I am putting that into the crease area and blending it upwards. We're going for a light smoky eye, okay? That's what we're calling it today. That's what it is. Then I'm going in with the shade Burial, and I'm putting that as my transition shade today, so we have a nice, seamless, smooth, blended look. And then I'll go back in with the dark brown, then I'll go back in with the black, you already know, just so everything is, you know, transitioning from black to brown to taupe. I'm taking my P. Louise base, just a tiny bit, whatever's left over on the brush, and I'm putting that onto my lid and taking Funeral Flowers and packing that right on top. It's just a very pretty cream white, and then blending the black and the brown into the white so it's nice and seamless. Would you look at that? For liner today, I'm using these LA Splash Cosmetics Wickedly Divine liquid liners, and I'm going in with the shade Phoenix first, which is this stunning blood red liner. Oh my god. Look at how beautiful this is. I'm obsessed with this. Then I am taking a glitter liner from them as well, and it's called Half Blood, and I'm packing that on top. And you guessed it, I'm pretty sure these names were inspired by Harry Potter. You should go look at the other names of the other liners because they're cute as heck, and I'm down with that. Cleaning up the edge, I'm going right in to contouring and blush. I already did my base. I'm using my Lunatick Labs Cosmetics Volume 1 contour palette, and I mix together all 4 of those shades, and I just go to town because I've got a round face, it's got some chubby cheeks, I've got a little bit of a double chin. No big deal, normal things. I just want to hide them a little bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and go in and do the sides of my forehead, underneath my cheekbone, and of course my jawline. And I also like to do my nose a little bit just because I feel like it brings the whole thing together and adds that kind of like contour color into the middle of the face. I blend my nose contour into my eyeshadow as well to make it nice and seamless. For blush, I'm using my favorite blush that I own. It's called Coast to Coast, and it's from Colourpop Cosmetics. It's just this perfect pinky kind of nude color, not too dramatic, but gives a little something so you don't look dead, you know? Yeah. Using my Colourpop Cosmetics Exit Cream Gel Liner, and putting that into my waterline, just a matte white. And then I'm gonna go ahead and smoke out the lower lash line. I'm not going too crazy. Well, it depends on who you are. Some people think smoking the lower lash line out makes it look really dramatic. I agree, but today it's a little less than what I normally do. I'm taking a shimmer color, putting that into my inner corner for a little pop, and highlighting my brow bone. This is the Sigma Beauty Lash Fan Brush too, for those of you who are going to be curious, because I know you will be. Then I'm finishing off my liner, just connecting the bottom and doing my inner corner with the Phoenix liquid liner from LA Splash Cosmetics. Oh, how cute, look at me! I popped on the horror beret from Witchwood Bags, which matches my horror makeup bag. Taking my Lash Freak Urban Decay Cosmetics mascara, I'm just popping that baby on. I really like this mascara. It's my first time using it. It's pointy on the very top right here, so you can really get your lower lashes, which I love me some dramatic lower lashes, let me tell you. For false lashes today, I'm using my LA Splash Cosmetics Classic Horror False Lashes in the style Invisible Woman. They just add a little something, not too dramatic, but they're cute. Then I add a little extra mascara just to blend everything together, and I also tightline my upper lash line there to make it darker and to just blend together my natural lashes with my falsies. It really helps kind of blend it together. For my lips today, I'm doing a beautiful blood red, so I am lining my lips with my LA Splash Cosmetics Tuscan Architect lip liner. It's just a dark brown. And for lips today, oh, look at the cutest packaging ever. This is from Vinyl Cult Cosmetics, the same brand as the shadow palette we used today. And this is the shade Lucifer, and it's a liquid matte lipstick. Look how stunning. It's literally the most perfect shade of blood red. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah. I'm setting my face with my Kylie Cosmetics Illuminating Setting Spray. I actually got this during Christmas time, and I love it. I'm so obsessed with it. It's a great setting spray, honestly. And I forgot to highlight. Who forgets to highlight? So I'm just popping that on real quick. I actually used the eyeshadow I use in the inner corner and my brow bone to highlight. So, yeah, just looking glowy. But that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please stay tuned for next week's video, but again, I might be late. I will get another video up next week, but it just might be late because you girls gotta catch up on filming, and it's almost August 1st. It's Halloween. Are you kidding? I'm panicking. I'm freaking out. I just needed to express that to you all. I'm gonna be filming a lot of Halloween stuff too, but I'm gonna have new stuff out for you. So thank you from the very bottom of my spooky little heart for watching. Make sure you go check out Witchwood Bags, okay? Okay. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.